Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am doing a unboxing. I got my first subscription box from Geek. So if you want to see what's inside, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm a little giddy. I'm getting the Geek Wizardry box, and if you can't tell, there's some red weeglies. I am Gryffindor. So I'm getting this one, and I'm also getting the Geek Gear wearables. I think this is probably the regular one. I know that there was a thing out that said some sizes for the wearables were taking a little bit longer, so I'm assuming this is also May's. It's been a little over a month since they shipped these, but the owls have been running a little late. So let's get into it. I'm excited. Okay, first thing on top is a t-shirt. I'm going to show it to you first. Oh, that is cool. It's a Luna Lovegood t-shirt. I got the biggest size you could get in the unisex, which is a 3X. Definitely something I would wear. Very much so. Oh. Something with the Mirror of Air sets on it. Oh. How cool. Okay. So it's a mirror. It's the Mirror of Air set. And it's got a little pop out. That is so cool. I don't know. Let's save the tube for last. Let's see, what's the next thing in here? Ooh, umbrage. Not a fan of umbrage. Oh, it's another one of those little cat plate things that she has in her office. It's definitely plastic, so there's that. What else is in here? Oh, this is cool. This is, I think it's like a, I don't know what this is actually. It's a print, but it's like the Polyjuice potion, like how to make it maybe? Let's see. There's something on the bottom. Oh, here's the pen. Okay. There's the pen. Constant visual aids. Okay. That's an interesting aspect. Ooh. The Scotch and Win card is in there. Let's see. What is this on the bottom? Oh, this is a spoiler. Okay. I'm not going to look at that yet. Let us see. Oops. What is in the tube? If I can get it out. Here we go. Oh, that is cool. It's Voldemort and Nagini. That is really cool. Alright, so let us see what's in the spoiler says. Alright, so It says May 2020. So this was the May box. Luna exclusive Luna t-shirt. Exclusive Umbridge cat plate replica. The Mirror of Eris set. Okay, this was the Polyjuice potion recipe. Oh! I get it now. This is a Mad Eye Moody pin. It's the exclusive monthly collectible charm. Okay. I don't see the charm. Feathers charm. Huh. I don't... I must be... Yeah, I don't see a charm in here. Okay. Well, that is it for my first Geek Gear Wizardry box. Stay tuned for June's should be here soon. The wearables should be here soon too. Thank you for watching, and I will see you Friday for another video. Bye, guys.